Good morning, dear student. In our English, our nine lesson name is Lion, the King of Forest here. So, in activity 6, that is given here, dear friends, here is a story about Simba. Simba, the name of lion, the lion and the wind here. So, this is a story of Simba lion here, and this story is how Simba save non-renewable energy here. Renewable and non-renewable, there are the two kinds of energy we have, like petrol, diesel, kerosene, naphtha. Such we can say that petroleums come in a non-renewable energy. Why we can say that non-renewable energy? Because it take more time to produce here. We cannot make very easily or simply, that is a non-renewable. As well as it take the, when we use it create a pollution here. So non-renewable mean that take the more time to become, to make here once again, and it create a pollution here in our environment. By the introducing here the renewable energy, that is wind here. So we can say that wind, solar energy, water energy are the renewable, because we can make very easily in a near future here. But a non renewable energy, this energy take the more time to make here. Then after, one story of the lion is given here. So the lion and the wind here. What happened here? There was once a very special lion called the Simba here. It is a special lion. It is not the common. It is not the common lion, but it is a special lion. And the name of lion is Simba, who live on the African savanna grassland here. Here, Simba lives in a Simba lives in a African savanna grassland here. So Simba would play in the plain, running and jumping with his friend, the leopard and the other lions in the area here. So we know that in a grassland, in a forest, many other animals also there. So here Simba would play in the plain area, playing, running, jumping with his friend here, like the leopard and the other lions in this area here. But what happened? Simba had a very special gift. For every time and he roar, he creates such a strong wind, it seems like a hurricane here. So whenever the Simba started to roaring here, so by roaring here, the strong wind come in a nearby place. The strong wind created by Simba's roaring here, and that it seems like the hurricane here. Hurricane is a strong, we can say that, cyclone. Hurricane is a cyclone here. The wind blow very fastly and it create a lots of trouble, loss here in surrounding places here. So on the savanna grassland where Simba lived, there were a lots of different kind of animals also, like giraffe, elephant, hyenas, etc. also live with the savanna grassland here, in the savanna grassland. So, and even though it wasn't a particularly green place, there were lots of species of the tree and plant here. In this paragraph, we can say that if the greenery is there, so the grass eating animals as well as the herbivorous animals must be there here. So we find the different kinds of the animal in a grassland here. So savanna is a famous grassland here. So you can find here the different animal like giraffe, elephant, hyenas, etc. What happened? So one day, as Simba was playing with his friend, they saw enormous machines destroying a part of the plain by digging into the earth here. We know that the work of human being made very easy by inventing of the machine here. It means we can say that machine make our work easy here. So here Simba has seen some enormous big machine, enormous, it is big machine destroying a part of the plane by digging into the earth here. It means we get many things from the earth, either mining, or we can say that coal, petrol, diesel, petroleum, gold, iron, or many things we get from the earth here. So many big machine we have to drilling, we have to dig the big hole, and we take the things out from the earth surface here. So big machine, people came there with a big machine, and the human are building oil well, said one of the wisest lion. So one lion said to the Simba that people come here with the big machine, and they try to make out, it means they try to come make out this natural oil from the digging the petroleum from the earth surface. So day by day the man built more and more oil well here. We see in Dubai, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, such a country, we find the well of petroleum oil. People say that this is a black gold here, and here in India we find the well of water here. Same as here, more oil well we find here, and destroying nature in this process here. We can say that nowadays people destroy the tree, people started farming there, people constructed more buildings, more houses, more factories. So what that we find our surrounding pollution, we find each more pollution in our surrounding here, due to this only, because people started to harming the nature for his own purpose here. So Simba had fewer and fewer friends to play with, and fewer plain in which to run about, and he knew that it was the men that were causing it all here. So there is a less place here. We know that in a before time, it means in an ancient time, there were lots of places covered with the forest here. So wild animals as well as the herbivorous animals, they can enjoy, they can carnivorous, herbivorous animals, they can enjoy their lives here. But nowadays what happened here, the human created disturbance in nature. They established the factories, they established the houses, and try to create a disturb to the nature here. So there is a less place here. People cleared down the forest and constructed the building, constructed the houses, factories. So there is a less place to play with the Simba, and there is a no place to live there. Then such animals became dangerous here. There is a less number of animals we found in our surrounding here. So he decided to ask the wisest lion in the area for the solution here. So what to do here? Simba wants to take the judge here. Simba wants to find out the solution here, how to overcome this problem here. So he asked here to the wisest lion how to come out this problem, and the wise old lion say the only solution is for the men to stop using petrol and use renewable energy such as wind instead here. So we know that people have to use less in a non-renewable energy here. We have to use renewable like a sunlight, water, wind, because they do not create any pollution in our surrounding here. We know that people are using CNG gas instead of petroleum, LPG gas instead of petrol and diesel, because petroleum creates lots of pollution in our surrounding. Then nowadays we find here the two-wheeler vehicle that run with the electricity. The train also run with the electricity, because they create no pollution in or no harms in our nature here. So by that we can say that we have to use renewable source of energy here. Then after that gave Simba an idea, and he decided to help one of the most powerful renewable energy in. So Simba decided to take the help of most renewable energy here, and world wind power. That is a wind power. It means we can make electricity, we can make another energy from using the wind energy. And so here Simba said that we have to use the world has to use the wind power, and it is pollutionless here energy. And so he went around all the country in the world, roaring with all his might to create a great wind that would help men use more renewable energy here. So here Simba has done the great good deed, that he tried to explain each and every person, each and every people, each and every country, that we have to use the wind energy instead of non-renewable energy here. So in the end, Simba success in getting mankind to stop using petrol, and the African savanna recover completely here. It means that we know that if we have the more trees, more grass, more greenery is there, then we can easily get the wind here. So the Simba, due to hard efforts of the Simba lion, the savanna grassland regained very easily, very soon here. And Simba moved here and there, and he tried to use, and he explained to the people that don't use here non-renewable energy, but you try to use the wind energy. That is most important to us, that cannot create any pollution here, and we can easily get in our surrounding, in our nature here. So different between renewable and non-renewable energy here. So renewable energy source are one which don't run out. It means which can be renewed easily, renewable energy that we can get very easily in a near future, we can make easily here. We can keep using them, and we shall never run out forever. It means it is more in number, so it is never end. For example of the renewable sources including wind, water power, hydroelectricity, solar power, light from the sun are the non, it means these are the renewable energy. Whatever the light, whatever the wind, or how much water, wind and solar energy we use here, but they never end here. It is large amount are available in our surrounding from our nature. We get the large amount of such energy, and this energy cannot create any problems or any pollution in our surrounding. So it is very beneficial, it is very useful here to use the renewable source of the energy here. Then non-renewable energy sources are one which are limited. It means non-renewable energy are in a limited stock available in the soil. So as we use them to generate energy, they get used up and can't be used in a second time. So there are three main non-renewable energy sources which are running our fast, like coal, oil and natural gas here. It means we have to, by seeing, we don't waste non-renewable energy. And non-renewable energy take more time to create second time here. It take more time to make second time non-renewable energy, as well as it create a pollution here, as well as there is a limited stock available in a inside in a soil here. So we have to use wisely, like the coal, petrol, it means oil and a natural gas, because these all are the energy, non-renewable energy are available in our nature in a short, in a limited stock here. So renewable energy is very useful to us to use it, and non-renewable energy are create a pollution, and we have to reduce the use of non-renewable energy, because it is limited in stock, are available in the soil, and also create a problems in our environment here. Okay, thank you.